everyone! Today, I'm super excited to color Peppa Pig. And now, I'm going to start coloring them. Enjoy watching! Number 1. Soft pink color.
Every step's an adventure for me and for you. Adventure time, let's go explore. Discovering new places, who knows what's in store. With courage and laughter, we'll travel far and wide. Hand in hand, let's enjoy the ride. We'll climb up high where the eagles soar. Dive into oceans, discover the shore. Follow the rainbow to a magical place. With our hearts full of wonder and smiles on our face. Adventure time, let's go explore. Discovering new places, who knows what's in store. With courage and laughter, we'll travel far and wide. Hand in hand, let's enjoy the ride. We'll climb up high where the eagles soar. Dive into oceans, discover the shore.
Number 2. Orange color.
Rainbow to a magical place. With our hearts full of wonder and smiles on our face. Through the jungles and deserts, we'll find our way. Under the stars, we'll dance and we'll sway. With a map and a dream, and the friends we hold dear. Every moment's a treasure, with nothing to fear. Adventure time, let's go explore. Discovering new places, who knows what's in store. With courage and laughter, we'll travel
Number 3. Yellow color.
Let's enjoy the ride. As the sun sets and the journey ends, we'll share our stories with family and friends. But tomorrow's a new day with adventures anew. With you by my side, there's nothing we can't do.
Number 4. Red color.
Shining, the sky is blue. Let's have some fun, just me and you. We'll run and play, laugh all day in our own special way. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, sing along to the happy beat. Swirl around, jump up high, touch the clouds in the sky. We'll find a rainbow bright and wide, chase our dreams side by side with friends so dear.
Number 5. Pink color.
Full of cheer.